tip number one?
So in the basketball, tip number one, if you want to train grip, it isn't just about practicing the dribble moves and like how quick you can do it. If you keep on like slipping, yeah, practicing that will help, but get maximum practice. What I found is to get a non-grip ball, and if you don't have a non-grip ball, like go out when it's wet, so there'll be no one on the court, and you just give it a nice little wet, and it becomes less grippy. I've practiced with non-grip balls, so my grip is okay with a wet ball, but oh boy, you're actually challenging me here. Okay, come on then.
Nearly.
Yeah. Alright, try to follow me. Come on, very quickly. Come on. Oh,
Well done, James.
little drive-by. But you're holding a camera and you're not flying, so.
Yeah. Camera that's recording this time.
Yeah. So, tip one, train with like a wet / non-grip ball, and try and get some good practice. Tip number two, facing taller opponents. I'm 4'5". I'll disclose that, so everybody else is taller than me.
I'm going to be shooting for it right now. Make you look 6 foot.
Yay! No, but so everyone's taller than me, so I face this issue all the time when it comes to slightly, like they played basketball a little bit, but they haven't played in a while. They just do this with their arm up like that, and then you just cannot shoot over them unless you really get back here and do that, which is not a very good thing unless you're right next to the hoop.
Absolutely.
It's like, so basically, they're a taller opponent. The hardest thing is if you get close and you pick up the ball with two hands. I'll try and show you how to get. Can you mind just like standing there? So like right nearer to the hoop. It's like I'll be driving. Yeah, you'll catch me about here. If you catch me like here off guard, then you've got your pivot foot, so you can basically go like this. In basketball, you're fine. But as soon as you take this foot off, that means that's this foot. Let's say I took my left foot off, and I place my right foot, that counts as my first step. So as soon as you take your pivot foot off, that will count as your first step. Another tip, well not another tip, so basically, you pivot, see where their weak spot is. At some point, you can't just sit there forever. If you can't find an open pass, you just got to go for it. So you just got to go. Oh, come on. Today's just not my day for these shots today. Oh, come on. I got
At least it's nice and sunny.
Yeah. Really?
Really? Really, James? Really?
Since I've been explaining. Wow.
There you go.
I'm not teaching you shooting anything. I'm not teaching you shooting, as you can tell. But another tip is, if you can't do that, then another tip is, you want to film a bit, let's stand there. Do that.
You get the opponent's feet wet.
Yeah, but you get the. Technically, it's gone back to them, so. As soon as they touch it, you can pick it up again and start dribbling.
Excellent.
Another tip. I'm not sure how many people you can do that to and get away with it though. I think some people might get annoyed, but.
I'm very upset that you ruined the white trainers.
Yeah. So you're approaching someone that's very tall, they can follow you. Okay, let's go over here. They've just missed a shot. You somehow get the rebound and you're on the fast break, so. And you can see them coming up behind you like Petar is. Slow down, if their hands like that, this is where you just go like, So you just go like 1, 2, 3, something like that. Or you somehow beat your friend to the rebound.
Nice, James.
Even though when you're shorter, you might have faster acceleration, combustion, to start, but the taller person will catch up. That's why there's another method.
Is it recording? Good, it's still recording. Yay!
Got the rebound. Let's
Go.
go. I travel. That's the first time I've ever done that.
Come on.
On camera, right. You basically just go in front of them, make them slow down and continue running.
There you go.
And then you just have the wide open lane for
Splash.
wide open lane for
Well done, that's a good one.
In other words, you're running. I'm really getting unlucky today. And you're running, you're going in front of the person.
Again. You're running, you get in front of the person.
I'm very good at hitting the back rim.
Come on, let's do it.
It gives me another idea.
Oh, good. Go, 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 go.
Oh, it's gonna go fly.
Well, we've succeeded. We did not hit the rim.
You said we airball, get in. Oh, you know what? Let's go for something easier.
Well done, James.
That's literally it. That's what you do.
So what was this granny shot you were telling me about earlier?
Right, so tip number 3, it was this tip number 4. Well, no, this is tip number 3. So, if you're really bad at shooting free throws, like, you're always short all the time, for whatever reason, your shooting style relies on you like to jump. Let's say, like, it's so hard for me to do free throws, like not jumping. So, actually I might have the range, but...
Oh, well done, James. Nearly got it.
Slightly off the ground, but not all the way. So you can do that, I think, but if you're struggling with range, you're struggling with accuracy. In the 1960s, this player developed this shot called the granny shot. He was clowned for it. He was ugly as hell, but it did actually increase his free throw shooting by about 20%, I think. So that's pretty good.
Yes, James, well done.
I need to step over the line either.
There we go, you did well.
I think the technique really is I kept on stopping when I was about here, but I think the technique really is to like just get as low as like you sort of can, then go like that.
Well, you're getting close to the target every single time. It's worthwhile. See? That could be how you do 3 free throws, James.
Nah, probably.
Probably. Any other tips before we sign out?
I'm not signing out yet.
Yeah.
What's the time?
Nearly 9 o'clock. We need to go.
What?
We need to go to a few places, James.
Why?
Feed some hungry people.
You're making it sound like that we live in a starving society.
No, we just have a starving team member.
Oh, okay.
Yes. And she gets hangry.
Me too.
There we go, James. Boop. Boop. Well done. So next week we'll be doing hockey tips, then Magic the Gathering tips.
That was a bit more fun than I thought. No, that's way too high.
Splash!
I did a 1v3 against Ethan, his sister, and her friend, his sister's friend. Like his sister's friend, there you go, that's right.
Yeah, but about to say there was a bit of something weird there. Well done, James, excellent throw.
Two of them didn't know how to play. Ethan was slightly taller than me, but they were doing a hell of a lot of passing and a hell of not enough driving.
Yeah.
They didn't even know how to dribble, so nice steals. Just, I thought Ethan would make it, I thought it would be a challenge, but really, it wasn't.
Are you slating your mates?
No, Ethan's a lot. Ethan is great, he's good, but he has a lot to work on because he hadn't played basketball for like a few months, so.
There we go, Brendan, well done.
Yeah, I've got lucky that. So Ethan hadn't played basketball in a while, so the fact Claire was saying, who's Ethan's mum was saying, Ethan, you used to be good at this. That, when she said that, that was like, okay, he's probably way above my level. As soon as he gets off his rusty phase, I think he'll dominate me. So.
Bump, 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 nearly.
But I was actually having a good sitting that day.
Good.
I was actually rising to the challenge, I suppose.
I tried to get a close up of you sinking one. Well done, James.
Oh, thank you.
Gonna have a lot of rebound shots.
I play better basketball without my jumper on, I'll say that. You see me play without my jumper on. Do you think I'm better without? Or?
Way better, and you're better for a ball that is not flat.
Okay, this is actually an okay ball, so.
It's not the best.
Not the worst, though.
We have to pump it up every day, it's weird. Come on, one more then we're going. Sink it properly.
And his name is John C.
Yep, that's a keeper.